Hello YouTube, let us find out mass of Sun using Newton's universal law of gravitation, which is written as here m is the mass of Sun, small letter m is the mass of Earth. The Earth is revolving around Sun because of the gravitational force of attraction between Earth and Sun. The Sun is pulling Earth towards it, and this gravitational pull provides the necessary centripetal force for this orbit. So the expression for centripetal force is mv squared by r. Let us simplify this equation. Since we are interested in m, let us simplify this. R v square g. Let us assume that Earth revolves around Sun in a circular orbit. Due to this, v can be written as 2 pi r by t, where t is the time period of revolution, which is 365.25 days. Let us simplify this. 4 pi square r square into r cube. This t square comes here. Let us apply log on both sides. To simplify this, we have to use these formulas of log. Log x into y is log x plus log y. Log x by y is log x minus log y. Log x to the power n log x. So let us apply here 1 by 1. This is multiplied here, so log 4 power comes here. This power comes here. This division with a minus sign, log g. This power comes here to log t, like this. Now let us try to find out the value of log 4, log pi, log r, g and log t. For that, log 4. In order to find the value of log 4, we have to make 4 digits here. So for this we are putting 3 zeros here after decimal. This 4 is called characteristic, and this after decimal is called mantissa. Now we have to see the log table. Log table is easily available here. Here the first 2 digits we have to see here. Then the second digit we have to see in the coulombs, and the fourth digit we have to see in this mean difference. So in this case, first we have to see 40. 40 is here, then 00. So this value is 0.6021. There is always a decimal point here. Okay, this number of characteristics here is 1. So 1, we have to subtract 1 from this number of characteristics. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is the 0 here. Next, let us try to find a value for log pi. Log pi. So log 3.141. Here, number of characteristics is 1. 1 we have to subtract from this. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then this value we have to see. The first 2 digits in the table is here, 31. Then 4 in the fourth column, 4969. And this 1 mean difference in the same row we have to see for 1. It's 1. This 1 get added to this, which give us 4970. Then we have to see the log 4. We have to find log r. The value of r, that is average distance between sun and earth, is 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 meters. So we apply property of log. We have to add extra 0 to make it 4 digit, plus log 10 to the power 11. Here number of characteristics is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we see for the 14, here you can see it's 14, 9 is here, 1 7 3 2, plus this 10 will come forward, log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1, so 11 comes here, 11.1732 we get here. Next we have to see log g. The value of g is universal gravitational constant. The value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Once again we do the same thing, 6.67, we put extra 0 to make it 4 digit, log 10 to the power minus 11. Again we see the table. First 2 digit. Here number of characteristic is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's 0 here. 66. 66 here. Next is 7. 8241. Next is 0. So here 8241. Plus minus 11 comes here. And this value is 10.1759. This is the value here. So after doing this, we get this value. Next, we have to find the value for log t. T is the time period of revolution, and t is 365.25 days. This one we have to convert into second. 1 day has 24 hours, 1 hour has 60 minutes, 1 minute has 60 seconds. So again we apply property of log. See, we have to retain only 4 digits, so that is why I am rounding up this, plus log 24. To make it 4 digit, I am adding extra zeros. Similarly here, similarly here. Now we have to see the table, but before that we have to see how many characteristics here. 1 2 3 3. I have to subtract 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 decimal. Then 36, I have to see 36 is here. 36 fifth column 5562, and then there is a 5 here, 4 5. This mean difference we have to add 365.2, sorry, it's 2. This 2 I have to add here. It is because it is 365.2. 36 5 and 2. 36 5 and 2. This 2 I add here. 5625 I get from here. Next is 24. Log of 24 is here, 3802. 3802. How many characters here? 2. Minus 1 is 1. So we get like this. 2 characteristics here, 1.607782. Same thing here. 2 characteristics, 17782. So we add all these numbers, and this value is 7.4991. Now we have to use these values in our calculation. So we put the respective values. Log 4 is 0.6021. Log pi is 0.4970. Log r is 1.1732 minus log g is minus 10.1759. Log t is 7.4991. After simplifying this, the value we get is 30.2934. This is log m. Now we have to find anti-log of this. Anti-log. So this cancel. M is anti-log 30.2934. Now we need to calculate this. Now let us find anti-log of this number. Anti-log of 29.34. This is the characteristics and this part is the mantissa. For this part we have to see the anti-log table. Here is the anti-logarithmic table. We have to see this first two digit here. 29 is here, 29 is here, and the next is 3. So 29, 3 here, 1963, and then there is a 4 here. So for this 4 we have to go and see the mean difference. It is 2. This 2 will get added to this. 1963 plus 2 will give us 1965. Then this one here, the characteristic is 30 we have to add 1 to this, 31. That means altogether here there must be 31 digit. Already there is 4 here, so we put 27 here. 27 and 1 2 3 4 will together it will become 31 digit. So let us adjust the decimal in scientific format and we get this to be this one. This is the mass of the sun. We have calculated the mass of the sun to be equal to 1.965 into 10 to the power 30 kg. So this method is very interesting and it saves time. A very complex calculation can be broken down into simple addition and subtraction only. Hope you like this video. If you want to know more about logarithm, more about Newton's law of gravitation or the centripetal force, do comment. Thank you.